Hi friends, I'm Manish here. I represent Baka Cooperative Housing Society as a secretary. And here what we have done a little bit of brainstorming that हम सब जगह देख रहे हैं, सब जगह सैनिटाइजेशन हो रहा है, सब ओवरऑल किट लगा रहे हैं, पूरा जैसे कि नासा के अंदर घूम रहे हैं. इट्स नॉट रियली रिक्वायर्ड. सो व्हाट वी डिड इज हम लोगों ने एक सीनियर टेक्निकल एप्लीकेशन इंजीनियर के साथ डिस्कशन किया. वी हैड ऑलमोस्ट अराउंड 1 आवर ऑफ टेक्निकल डिस्कशन दैट हमको रेसिडेंशियल एरिया को सैनिटाइज करना है तो कैसे करना है. So what they suggested, I am not here to endorse any brand. Again I am telling you, I am not marketing any company, I am not endorsing any brand. This is just a small endeavor to educate everyone what knowledge I have. I would request if any one of you from all the different societies who are secretaries, जिसके पास और कुछ knowledge है, let's come together. We define one SOP for residential area because what we see right now is 3,000, 5,000, 6,000, 20,000 तक सैनिटाइजेशन का खर्चा हो रहा है. एंड जस्ट रिमेंबर, एक बार सैनिटाइज करके योर वर्क इज नॉट डन. दिस इज गोइंग टू बी योर लाइफस्टाइल. दिस इज गोइंग टू बी योर एवरीडे हाइजीन लाइफस्टाइल. इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू बी अ सिंपल थिंग. आपने एक बार सैनिटाइज किया, व्हाट्सएप पे वीडियो दिया, लॉट ऑफ क्लैप्स कमिंग, लॉट ऑफ थम्स अप कमिंग, इज ऑल स्टूपिड. This is not going to help you because sanitization and disinfectant is a process that has to be every day in your lifestyle. So what we have done from our technical experts, from the application engineer whom I know, what they have suggested that you use one product which is CDC certified, Center for Disease Control and WHO certified. There are many products, but आज मैंने जो प्रोडक्ट लिया है, दिस प्रोडक्ट डाइवर्सी प्रोडक्ट. इट इज वायरेक्स 2. सो वायरेक्स 2 इज अ केमिकल वेयर आई एम यूजिंग इट फॉर माय सोसाइटी एंड दिस इज द ओनली केमिकल व्हिच आई हैव फाउंड करंटली व्हिच इज सेंटर फॉर डिसीज कंट्रोल अप्रूव्ड, WHO अप्रूव्ड. एंड द थिंग इज दैट दिस इज नॉन corrosive, fume irritant, there is no fumes coming out, it is not going to harm environmentally, not going to harm your surfaces. So we'll go the application. So we don't need it every day. We don't need it every day to be put on the surfaces. We will do it every alternate days. Now, to sustain this long, what we have done, we have purchased this pump. It is a regular battery operated pump, which is of 5,000 rupees. The average cost of 10 liter is around 6,500 rupees plus GST. The dilution over here is 2 methods. One, for a very deep cleaning, you have to take 20 ml in 1 liter. And after that, that is only for the first time. After that, every alternate days we are going to do the premises, disinfect the premises, where the dilution will be only 10 ml per 1 liter. So what we have done, I'll just give a costing part of it. So currently my costing and the operating cost and what I'm going to give a small incentive to my housekeeping for doing this work is X amount. So on an average per month, what we calculated, around one day 12 liters of water and dilution is consumed. So on an average we have 48 flats. We divided the spend. It's coming around 100 rupees per flat per month. So this is the cost of sanitization. So again, friends, this is not one-time sanitization. We are doing every alternate days. We are going to do every alternate days the sanitization, disinfection of entire premises. Now, you are not required to do everywhere sanitization. This is what I have got feedback from my application friend, application engineer. He has told me that there are 2 surfaces. One is low touch surfaces, one are high touch surfaces. So what we are doing is concentrating only on the high touch surfaces which are going to affect us because this is not airborne and this is only through spreading through the touch surfaces. So I am showing you the video which my guys are doing it and they will be doing it regularly for my entire 48 flats. on each premises. So he will be concentrating only on the high touch surfaces. You have to leave it for 10 minutes, but what I have got instruction that your housekeeping cleaning has to be completed. After that, you have to apply this for 10 minutes, keep it for 10 minutes, and then wipe it with a normal cloth, a normal duster on one sided. You don't need to wipe out, you need to wipe out on one sided. So I show you the video how we are doing it, and this is just from our perspective. I am again telling you, we are not endorsing any brand, we are not endorsing any SOP, but I suggest please come forward, let us come together. We all do a consortium buying, we all do a joint buying, so that we get products at less price. If there are some technocrats available, please call me. My number is 998 777 1310. If you need any more information on this initiative, you can also email us on our society email ID barcachsl@gmail.com, barcachsl@gmail.com. So I look forward for a brainstorming session from all the secretaries from the society in Hiranandani. I am talking about mainly Hiranandani. So I request all to come forward. Let's brainstorm. Let's define a small operating procedure, a small SOP. What we need to do, because this is going to be a lifestyle. Sanitization is not one time that photo liya, video liya, sab log khush ho gaye. That's not done. Every day you need to do it. Otherwise, this is not going to work. If you have any questions, if you have any more suggestions, please call me. So let's see the video how we are doing. This is for the reference. We are not endorsing any procedures. We look forward for it. Thank you.